Hey, what's up guys? My name is David from Litex and today I'll show you how to turn off the notifications on your iPhone. Well, there are some ways and yeah, I'll show you both ways, why not? So let's open the settings of the iPhone and the first way will be to hide notifications. And now if we want to disable all the notifications from all the apps, unfortunately right now we don't have another settings on the iPhone. So you will have to go through every individual app individually and turn off the notifications. That's the first way how to do it. And also you can reach the same place if you are in the settings and scroll all the way down. Here you can also locate the applications that are installed on your iPhone. So you can scroll all the way down. Either you reach the notifications and here you can locate every app. Let me allow the notifications because I don't want to disable on the notifications on this one. And this will be the first way. The second way is to reach focus or do not disturb mode. Now depends what iPhone you have. And this settings is called either focus or do not disturb. Right now we have to hit the first one. And from here we can allow this status if we want to allow it or disable it. And if we press on the first one, here we can press on people, and if we read silence notifications from or allow notifications from, if we mark the first one, when do not disturb is on, notifications from selected people will be silenced and sent to notification center. And also the second one, allow notifications from, when do not disturb is on, notifications from people you select will be allowed, all other will not be silenced and sent to notification center. And we can personalize all these if we want. If you want to use the focus or do not disturb mode, you can also add a schedule here that will help you to select when this will happen and when not, but I don't want to turn it on. So these are the ways at the moment how to turn off the notifications on an iPhone. Either activate do not disturb mode or select every app individually and disable the notifications from all of them. So I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If you still have some questions or you have a better way, please, I will be glad to read your comments. So leave a comment down below right under this video and I'll try to get to you as soon as possible. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and please have a great day.